Twitter is losing all cool comparing Tiffany Trump to Miley Cyrus, and you can't miss this. Today's episode of Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by T-Mobile. Keep up with the freshest pop culture news with T-Mobile. Everyone's favorite television pop star is being brought back to life in the form of Tiffany Trump. Tiffany Trump tried to get voters to see her father in a new light, but all Twitter saw was a Miley Cyrus look-alike. Many viewers who watched Tuesday night's Republican National Convention may have missed the point of her message because they were simply too distracted by her uncanny resemblance to Miley Cyrus.
Thank you all so much. It's so amazing to be with you tonight and say a few words about my father and your nominee for president.
Hold up, Miley, is that you?
First, I would like to thank, of course, all of my fans, my smilers, for making this happen, and Terry Richardson for putting this together.
Too good, too good. While Tiffany was trying to do her thing up on stage, not many could actually hear what she was saying because they were too busy taking to Twitter about her being Miley Cyrus 2.0. Some of our favorite tweets include Sharon Needles, who tweeted, "Tiffany Trump talks like a bad Miley Cyrus impersonation," while Thornton McEnery added, "Tiffany Trump is my favorite Miley Cyrus character." Ryan Beckwith tweeted, "For some reason, Tiffany Trump is making me think of SNL's The Miley Cyrus Show." While ANDI wrote, "I cannot warm up to these Trump kids. The boys are just disgusting Cecil the Lion killers. Tiffany is Miley Cyrus with a trust fund." Snorky Tastic really went for it, saying Tiffany Trump equals Miley Cyrus in Kylie Jenner extensions. And Karen even confused the two, writing, "I know so little about Tiffany Trump, I thought that it was Miley Cyrus." I love me some Miley as well as Hannah Montana, so this to me is everything. What about you? Do you see the similarities as well? Send us your funny captions about the hilarious look-alike duo in the comment section below, and then you can click right over here to watch Anna Kendrick talk about her cruel and unusual comparison to Kendall Jenner. I'm Ryland Adams, thanks for hanging, see you soon. Click to the left for 7 brush blowouts, that's over on Beauty Trippin', or click to the right for 12 DCOMs that made your childhood over on Throwback. And another big thanks to T-Mobile with double the LTE coverage. Now you can stay in the know in more places.